Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to buy a booster, one full booster for $1,000, and these are the steps, okay? So what you're going to go ahead and do is once you've registered under the sponsor that with their link, then what you go ahead and do is just click on deposit right here. This is the first step that you're going to do. So let's click on deposit right here. Okay, and then you're going to choose your network. So you're going to use USDT on one of these three networks. Okay, I prefer either Ethereum or Tron, Tron network. This is the network that you're going to be sending your USDT on. So let's go ahead and choose Ethereum. That's the one I'm going to choose right now on the Ethereum network. So I'm going to click on it right here, and then it's going to pop up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and send it right now. So I just sent 1,002 USDT, okay? You want that extra $2 just for some extra fees in there that you might incur, but always send just a little bit more to be on the safe side. So I just sent 1,002 USDT on the ERC20 network. That's the Ethereum network, okay? If you're doing the Tron network, make sure that you select the right network from your wallet, your personal wallet, and send it on the Tron network. But you always have to make sure you have a little bit of Tron for the USDT TRC20 or a little bit of Ethereum for the USDT ERC20, okay? So